Yo, what's up? It's so dramatic. I want this cat. Why you stop petting me? Sorry. I love you. Can you stop? Hey, shut up. Don't yell at me. It's rude. Okay, but why? Why are you angry? But I don't care. What? She's not mean. Yo, I'm fucking done with Progressive, dude. Like, they just... Like, I'm sitting there trying to get the fucking information out of this dude. And, like, he just... they talking so fucking slow. And then, like, they telling me different shit. I'm so done with Progressive, dude. I'm switching to State Farm. They're fucking my life insurance. Fuck it. Like, after this, after I'm done, I'm switching to State Farm. Like, Progressive... Like, what the fuck, dude? And then, like, when that deer situation happened... I didn't have any issues with my car or the doors or anything like that. As soon as I get this shit fixed, now I got issues. Like, the child safety locks weren't working. And now, I don't know when the fuck it was, but a few days ago, a coworker got in the front seat. This shit's not working. Now, all of a sudden, it won't close. And then, like, they got an attitude with me, and then the dude getting mad because I want a flatbed. Because, motherfucker, I see people who hit people's cars when they're on the fucking thing. Like, they got a fucking attitude with me. Like, are you fucking serious? Shut your dumb ass up and just send me a fucking flatbed. There's a reason I'm asking for a flatbed. Like, motherfuckers are stupid. Like, how do these people get their jobs, man? Look at this shit. Look at that shit. I ain't had no fucking issue before I started getting my shit fixed. Then, like, the lady said she was gonna... Like, do they communicate at all? Then, like, the lady said she was going to set me up with a rental. I'm going to bring it there. I'm going to get told. Like, they don't communicate. Like, what the fuck? Like, this dude asked me questions, so how are you going to get a rental? Do you have a place for a ride for a rental? Don't you think if I had a fucking ride for a rental, I would have fucking got it already? Like, what the fuck? I would... Like, got a fucking attitude? Like, that's your fucking job. Jeez. Don't get progressive, man.
GloryMusic.com.
The door is not closed.
My insurance agency, like, they fixed it, but they didn't do it the first time because they broke the back doors at first, the child locks, and now when I went to go get it fixed, my friend, my coworker, she couldn't get out the front door. So when I went to go unlock it today, it wasn't closed. So my insurance messed it up.
I like that one.
Yeah, I don't like those. They poop on your head. I just like the sunroof. Dude, like, cool as shit too. He's in that car talking about cars. How many times do I have to tell y'all niggas that y'all don't need to slam a fucking door, dude? I told y'all niggas. He said it's from people slamming your fucking car door, dude. I told you, man. Like, you don't have to slam a fucking car door to make sure it's shut. I fucking told y'all, man. I fucking told y'all. Like, motherfuckers think I'm bullshitting. Like, he said the same shit. Damn, I should have recorded that shit. So I can have backup. Like, I told you, like, you don't need to fucking slam a fucking car door. It's not that serious. Damn. Motherfuckers trying to act like I'm crazy. Nigga, I know what the fuck I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm out. Motherfucker, it's about to do lift. Yo, so I did like 2 lift rides, though. That shit was fucking awesome, bro. Hold up. I'm near like Arundel Mills and shit now. We vlog because we can't really vlog. Well, I can't use my phone and shit. But yo, that shit was fucking awesome. The second lady was cool as shit. The first lady, she slammed my fucking door. What's up? She slammed my fucking door like shit. Yo, like it says, like, I don't know if people can read or what. But the second lady, she seemed like educated and shit. So,
Said I just wanna chill in peace, so motherfucker let me breathe, gotta let me breathe. Said I just wanna chill in peace, so motherfucker let me breathe, gotta let me breathe.
locked down like shit. Okay, chemical guy.
Did you eat?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Did you eat some?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.